everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm especially excited because I'm gonna do one of my favorite things, which is baking. And I'm gonna bake for you guys for the very first time because all my recipes have been tacos, frijoles, sopitas, morisqueta. But yeah, I saw this recipe on TikTok and I tried it. Now it's one of my family's favorites, so I'm gonna share it with you guys.
Mine too.
Okay, pues. So what I'm gonna be baking for you guys today is a strawberry flan cake. It is super delicious, so let me show you guys how to make it. For this recipe, we're gonna use 7 eggs, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, 1 box of strawberry cake mix, and last, some cooking spray. We're gonna start off by adding all our ingredients for the flan into the blender. This is 4 eggs, 1 can of lechera. Honestly, guys, I can eat lechera just like by licking the spoon. And then 1 can of the evaporated milk. And the last part is a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Okay, and now we're just gonna blend it all together. So for the cake batter, it's the bag of cake mix, 3 eggs, 1 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of oil. And now we're just gonna mix it. Okay, this is how it should look about a minute after mixing. Okay guys, for this part, we're gonna add our sugar into a pan. Remember, it's 1 cup of sugar. We're only gonna be stirring it. It's honestly gonna take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. That's how long it takes me. We need to wait for the sugar to start caramelizing. Here's the little update on the sugar. It's turning into like little crystals. It is looking very good and we're almost done. All right, the caramel is ready. Miren qué bonito se mira. All right, so I'm greasing the pan very, very good so that our cake won't stick. And now I am going to pour the sugar in just like this. Caramel is in. We're gonna add the cake batter. Just like that. We're adding the flan mixture just on top, like this. Okay. Once it's covered with foil, guys, we're gonna put it in the baking tray. We're gonna add water to it because we're gonna be using the bain-marie method to cook it in the oven. By the way, guys, I forgot to mention, the oven should be set to 400 degrees and we're gonna be baking it for 1 hour and a half. Now it's gonna go in the oven. Like I said earlier, 1 hour and a half. Okay. I already took it out of the oven and now let's check it. Look at how pretty it looks. And it smells so delicious. Look at that. Super, super fluffy, guys. So I uncovered it, now we're gonna let it sit for like 30 minutes so it can cool down. Okay, so it's been like 40 minutes already, and I'm gonna flip this over. Look at how beautiful. Miren qué rico se ve. It looks delicious and it smells amazing, guys. Super soft, fluffy, it's just perfect. Okay, I'm gonna cut myself a piece. This is my favorite part. Guys, it's so moist and soft. Like if you could really see.
That's good.
Está súper rico, está súper jugoso. And it's just perfect. The cake, the flan. Delicious. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys try and make this recipe. It's super yummy and delicious. Let me know in the comments if you guys want more
desserts.
Let me know in the comments if you guys want more dessert ideas. And also, if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you do make this recipe, please tag me on my social medias. I'll see you next time. Bye.